Oh my God! Oh my God! What is going?
You should really get a new brick vacuum.
And what have you got to say about this kind of luck? It's definitely like success times 4, or maybe even magic.
Please don't bring superpowers to work.
Driving onto such a narrow platform on tracks is an overly ambitious idea.
He demolished that wall with nothing but his scream.
Oh boy.
Friendship should end here.
This girl didn't even realize how lucky she is. Just listen to the guy's reaction.
One-of-a-kind shot. Is it a waste to use incense to repel mosquitoes like that, my friend?
Não, meu filho. Você pegou de última geração, meu filho. Tu é doido. Cara.
حسين تعال تحرك. هي راح تفتحها.
Who do you think will win?
Oh, this feeling? I wonder how he'll feel about it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Nope.
Huh?
I think insurance companies aren't going to love this.
When you're just minding your own business, driving along, and then... It's a good thing that this moose had pretty good reflexes.
When you try to do something nice.
Hardworking person who is not working at all.
Vamos a dar la vuelta, Pablo.
There's two kangaroos.
A perfect mom.
The demolition of the pedestrian bridge over the railway tracks went faster than planned. The workers were still on the bridge when it collapsed, and just in time, they managed to leave. One of the spans crashed onto the tracks, resulting in serious delays for trains on that section.
Is her iPad okay, though? They just got a free bath on the highway.
Oh, that's a hole.
If your life is too peaceful, it's just plain boring.
Hello, everyone.
¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón! ¡Bote lampón, güey!
Well, he's certainly got a unique audience.
Know what you're working with. Oh, no. Oh, no. Somebody help him now. Hey, June, get over here and help. Hold the poor chop. Don't let it go. Oh, no.
For some reason, this reminds me of Family Guy's song, The Big Boy.
Oh, Lord, he about to flip damn four-wheeler. Hey, somebody help him get it out of there. Hold it poor chop. Hold right there. We gonna get you. We gonna get you out of there. They gonna get you out. I ain't that shit. That's just that. Hey, somebody. Oh, Lord, there you go. God damn, poor chop. I thought he was out of here, player. You held on to that motherfucker poor chop, though, like the last chicken wing, boy. I ain't mad at you, player. You ain't let go. Leave, boy. You overweight, you bastard.
Just lost a corner? There's still a lot to chew on.
Look at this. Going far. I know it.
And here you can see a skier flying over with his head mere millimeters from the snow. This guy deserves a free ski pass.
Bruh. Who is? Sam.
I know it's coming. Right, go.
But why isn't he moving?
Nope.
He took off his sunglasses.
Speak! Speak! Speak!
You see, just a gust of wind is enough to destroy weak things.
What caused this to happen?
Wow. That little dog has great balance.
Maybe he's thinking it's time for a break.
Берем такую котлетку, заранее готовим и прикладываем. И некоторое время держим, прижимая.
Все. Остановилась. Вода остановилась. Все, не течет.
Nope.